So I've removed this spark plug arrestor out of the exhaust manifold. I don't know if you can see that, but really, I mean, how would one expect exhaust fumes to go through that? There's just a little bit of light shining through that. That's totally gunked up with oil residue. So what I'm going to do is burn that off until it forms a fine powder. Clean that right up and then reattach it to the manifold there, and then reinstall that into the body of the engine. Replace the plug. I'm in the process of cleaning the air filter, so I'll give that a light oil tomorrow when it's dry, reassemble it, and hopefully it works as good. So you can see I've cleaned it up now and it's quite porous, and as I was shining up to the light you can see there's quite a bit of light coming through. So I'm hoping that's going to make the fix to the engine so that the power is fully restored to what it has been in the past. So now it's just a matter of putting the engine back together.